Hi, I did the summer makeup look using Revolution Beauty products. I began with the 1 million palette, which was a gift with purchase from Makeup Revolution for when they hit 1 million followers on Instagram. So this is predominantly a purpley berry palette and it's absolutely stunning. It's nice for the summer. It's actually a fall palette in my opinion. So there are no shade names. I'm just going to show you what shades are used for what part of the eye. So I didn't want a very smoky eye look, but at the same time I wanted some berryness because the lipstick that I was planning to use was actually a dusty mauve. I finished up with Milani Perfection Liquid Liner. And the Givenchy Noir Interdit Mascara. So after my eyes, I went on to apply foundation on my primed face. And the foundation I used is the Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Foundation, which I've reviewed, link below. And this is a very full coverage foundation and it covers acne marks and acne very nicely. Now I didn't go as heavy-handed as I usually do for this time because my skin isn't as acneic as it was. I finished off my eyebrows with the Eyelure Brow Magician. This stuff is so good, I'd buy a crate full if I could. Now, I didn't want a very heavy bronzed look or any kind of contouring. I mean, I wanted to keep this look light and simple. So I used the Rose Gold highlighter from the Makeup Revolution Easter Surprise Egg. And then the blush I used is Lancome Blush Subtle in Blushing Cresol. This is a slightly deeper version of NARS Orgasm. Finally, for lipstick, I used the Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in Elevation. I've reviewed this, link below. It's a very comfortable, long-wearing liquid lipstick. So that's the look. I wanted to keep it hassle-free and as simple as I could possibly do with all the acne that I have. And I really love the berry eyeshadows from the 1 million palette from Makeup Revolution. I do hope they sell this palette because it is worth it, and it's really, really pretty. Look at that. Those are the eyeshadows in there. And these are the two that I used for this look, with this one as the highlighter. So it's a very easy look, it's very easy to duplicate, and it's quite easy to pull off as well. And the berry tones on the eyelids are flattering on most skin tones. As is also the lipstick, it's very, very wearable. I wouldn't recommend this eyeshadow for daily wear, for daytime wear, but on summer evenings, it's quite a nice eye look to pull off. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and please give me a thumbs up, and I'll speak to you soon.